Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Outside the car you've got 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features 3D navigation, as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. Car's done just under 10,500 miles. It's packed full of some brilliant safety features, including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection, and you can also call emergency services in the event of an accident. And if this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.